In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a caption to a photo in Constant Contact. Whether you're creating a newsletter, a marketing email, or any other form of communication, adding captions to your images can enhance your message and engage your audience more effectively. Let's dive into the process step by step so you can easily follow along and make your emails more captivating. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to constantcontact.com. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard, which serves as the central hub for all your email marketing activities. Next, look for the Campaigns tab. This is where all your past and current campaigns are stored. Click on it and you'll see a list of your existing campaigns. This is the perfect place to revisit previous work or start something new. For today, we'll be editing an existing campaign, so go ahead and select the campaign you want to modify by clicking on Edit next to its name. This action opens up the campaign in the editor where all the magic happens. Now, on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a menu with various options. Click on Content. This section allows you to modify text, images, and other elements within your campaign. It's a great place to experiment with different layouts and styles to see what looks best for your message. After clicking on Content, scroll down until you find the Layout Article option. This layout is particularly useful for adding captions because it often includes pre-designed sections for text and images, which can save you time and effort. Select this layout by clicking on it, and you'll see it added to your campaign. With the layout now in place, besides, it's time to add your captions. Click on the text area provided within the layout and start typing your caption. Make sure your caption is concise yet informative, as it should complement the image without overwhelming it. Remember, the goal is to enhance the viewer's understanding or engagement with the image. Once your caption is ready, it's time to upload the image that it will accompany. Find the image section within your layout and click on it. You'll see an option to upload an image from your computer. Click Upload and navigate to the folder where your image is saved. Select the image you want to use, and it'll be inserted into your campaign right alongside your caption. And there you have it. You've successfully added a caption to a photo in Constant Contact. Adding captions can really enhance the storytelling aspect of your emails, providing your audience with additional context or information that can lead to a more engaging experience. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel confident in adding captions to your photos. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching and happy creating.